Sojo, and first of all, thank you very much for being here. Thank you, Maureen and Julie, for being here from National Geographic. Today I will be presenting my research paper about the cross-border impact of government projects in the Costa Rica-Nicaragua border region. So in terms of my findings, I really want to emphasize this. When I was doing my literature review, I found that we usually talked about whether borders were becoming more open or more closed, and whether there were barriers or bridges, and the functions of roads at the border level and how they connected more people. So that was the assumption with which I came into my project, thinking that that was going to be the case, that there was going to increase activity and interaction. And I did see that to some extent, and that's really how it is. For tourists, it's very easy with all this new infrastructure to move from one side of the border to the other. They can just navigate across on the rivers on both sides and really enjoy the physical environment that there is there. However, in terms of local level dynamics, I saw a very, very different situation. Here you see one of the new customs and immigration buildings in San Carlos, Nicaragua. And although this is very beneficial for larger businesses and tourists, this also means more controls and less movement for local people. So when I was at the border, I was crossing it, on the Cold River with one man at the store, and he had all his vegetables, and they were like, "Oh no, you have to drop that." And he didn't even understand why he had to do that, because it's so different from what they're used to doing. They used to move food from one side to the other for their relatives, because they have relatives on both sides, and now they can't move dairy products or cattle and many other things that they used to do. But and this is just to give an idea of my overall conclusion, which is that borders are not just open or closed, and infrastructure is not just either a barrier or a bridge. It can have different meanings and different purposes. National projects for border levels have impacts of increasing regional interactions at some level, but at the same time, they really hinder the interactions that were taking place at the local level. Thank you.